Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change the language in the Rakuten Credit Card app. So first step is to open Rakuten Credit Card application, and then on your smartphone, you have to make sure that you're logged into your account. If not, you can enter your user ID and password to sign in. So the app icon is red with the Rakuten logo. So once logged in, you will see your credit card details, the current balance, and the recent transactions on the home screen. So you just have to ensure that you have a stable network before proceeding. Next step is to navigate to the settings. So just tap on the settings icon. So this one is a gear icon like this one on the middle, and then it is located in the bottom navigation bar or the menu side in the top left corner. So this will open the settings menu where you can manage your account preferences, notifications, security settings, and app configurations. So you can look for the language or this one option in the setting list, and then the settings menu is organized into categories for easy navigation. Next step is to select language option. So in the settings menu, locate and tap on the language or this one right here option. And this is usually found in the app settings or general settings section. So you will just see a list of available languages, including Japanese, English, Chinese, Korean, and other supported language. And the current language will be highlighted or marked with a check mark. So some versions may show languages in both native script and English for easier identification. Next step is to choose your preferred language. So tap on your desired language from the list. So for example, if switching from Japanese to English, you can tap on the English. So a confirmation dialog may appear asking for you to confirm the language change. So just tap on confirm or OK to proceed. So the application will immediately start updating the interface text to the selected language. So this process typically takes a few seconds. Lastly is to restart app to apply the changes. So after selecting the new language, the application may automatically refresh, or you might need to close and reopen the application for the changes to fully take effect. So just exit the settings menu and navigate through the app to verify all sections display in your chosen language. So you can check the home screen, transaction history, and the menu items to ensure that the language has been updated throughout. So if some section still shows the old language, you can try logging out and logging back in, or clearing the app cache in your device settings. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!